Hi guys, welcome back to another episode where we're going to be doing a customer's head unit from a factory one to an aftermarket one. Now the only problem is this was taken out of his previous car, it's the Alpine, and it's missing a few things like the mounting part for the hands-free mic, and also the cradle, which is going to make it hard for us to install it, because I'm just using another aftermarket one. That's not the right one, so it won't clip in properly and stuff, but just going to have to make do, yeah. So let's start off by removing the factory one. Hopefully you can see all that. Just tilt it up. Yep, there we go. So that's what we'll do. Is just clear this area a little bit. Move that back. Now he's got a CD in here. So let's just eject it. Take it out for him. And to get these Eurobox head unit out is pretty easy. All you need is just these prongs. Goes into the hole there, and then you just pull outwards and back. So once you pull it out, it gives you a bit of leverage, and so you can pull it back. And they're fairly easy, you know. There, you probably noticed already done the loom. Okay, so just going to run the microphone down from the pillar up here, normally mounted there, run it down past the fuse and then up through here. So let me grab the new head unit and then the microphone and stuff, and I'll run that, and then I'll show you how to do the wiring part of it. Here for now. A bit different to what I normally do, because I like to put in new ones also, because you got all the parts that you need there. Now, been taken out of a previous car, you can't find the box, so there'll be missing parts and stuff. So, but you know, not everybody can afford a brand new one all the time, so you know, sometimes just make do with what you got. Yeah. By now to actually, you know, unravel these wires beforehand, so you know, take note. Okay, so let's just run the mic, pillar down from the top here. Fairly easy, don't need no special tools for that. Fingers in on the corner there, and run it down for you. Makes it so much easier. What we can do with this is I'm going to use like little Velcro bits here, wrap it around. Back in, that should hold it up here like that. Now, the VTs, VZ, VX, VY, you can just pull this little panel down here like this, to access the refuse compartment, and that's where we'll be running the microphone lead. So we're trying to get it back towards the unit side. Use my little trusty claw and bring it across. See that over there, as we can. So you put it in halfway. Retrieve your claw and come back on this side here, and then you can get it. Now I've got it. Just simply put onto something here. Just try to free it up a bit and then extract it. Like so. Because it's going through the side here, you're going to avoid that by putting it back in again and trying to grab it from the rear. Otherwise, when we put the hitching in, it's going to cut right through the cable. So make sure you go from the very back of it. If possible. To be honest, the car's not in a bad nick after, what I'll say, nearly 20 years old. You know, it's done fine. It's been looked after a bit. So, especially if it's got original, you know, radio still from what, 2000, 2002, whichever model this is. Actually, I can't tell the difference between a BY, VZ or VX and VT. Can't tell the difference. Some people say it's the lights and stuff like that, but to me, basic things are the same. Okay, so that's the loom for it, and we're going to be working in our one. Right? Just adapted to it. So, fairly straightforward with the commodores. Okay, if you turn the plug, well, that's missing the pins here, tab, turn it upside down. Okay, your orange and black will be your constant again, same as most commodores, so exactly the same. Next one will be your accessory, which is a yellow, solid yellow there. That'll be your accessory, and then after that you got a black with a white trace. That will be your negative or earth. So you put your earth to it, which is normally a black one as well. And then we got a orange with an orange which is our illumination. That's going to go to a brown with white trace. And after that we got a your remote antenna trigger, which is a blue that goes into a yellow red trace here. Hopefully you can see this. Flip it on the other side, or the top part here, or the top wiring is your speaker wires. So it's blue, which is your rear right. It goes onto your purple, your aftermarket one, and so it starts off as negative, positive, negative, positive, negative, positive. Okay, so it's negative, positive. That's rear right. And we've got negative front right, which is your dark green, and then goes into your light green, which is positive. And then we've got rear left. Hope this goes through. Rear left negative, which is your yellow with a blue trace. Your black, your brown with a black trace is your rear left positive. And you got front left negative, which is a grey and beige. And that's it. That's pretty much our loom done again. Just tape it up, make it nice and neat. When you do the taping, stretch it a little bit. What happens is it heats up the glue and it makes it stick a lot better. So it makes it more stickier. I'll just take this part up here. So a nice little loom. Let me grab that here. And a pocket. Okay, so what we'll do now is we just put this back in a bit, squeeze this in, open it up just a tad, but don't bend it. Make sure you try not to bend it. Okay, so just open it up. Use the ball part of your hand and raise it up. Once that is done, just bend the 4 tabs that's on either side. And bend some more on the top here. It just helps it lock in. And this one, don't bend it all the way, just a slight twist on it. So when you put your hand in there later to pull the wine through, you're not going to cut yourself. Okay, so just a little bit so we can grab it from the top later. So pop this through. The microphone, your antenna, and your main harness. So microphone in, harness in, and then your antenna go in. Now just gently but firmly wiggle it back into there. Like so. Don't go all the way yet until you put these on. Most of the cap. Now use the flathead like you've done a little bit earlier before, and you bend it down a little bit. Now we're going to bend it more, because that's going to wedge our pocket under like that. Try to get out. Yep, antenna's all up and running. Alright guys, thanks for watching once again. If you give me a thumbs up, like, and subscribe if you can. Doesn't cost a thing, so hopefully you see you guys next time. Cheers.